this rear tyre decided to go flat. Just about to prep the Skoda Fabia 1.2. The car needs some coil packs because it's sort of misfiring a little bit. It's old exhaust. It was all clamped up, so if you have a little look here, obviously that's just broken off, and so there's also the clamp. Alright guys, out with the old one, in with the new one. Alright, so guys, I've decided, because of the roof in this car, look at all of that. I spoke to the dent man and he said he can't, he's not gonna even bother with that, so I'm gonna put this up as it is. Alright, it's going on YouTube, it's a late vlog, looking a bit rough, but I've been busy, shaved the beard and all that. But guys, got a couple cars. One car's at auction, just finished prepping this car today. This one here is still here. I've got to prep this one today. Got this one to prep now. And the other one's sold. So the silver Citroen DS3, that car's still at auction. What else? The Toyota Yaris, that's sold within the same day of putting up for sale. This car here, I've just polished it, just made it look sort of new. Let me just open it because the alarm always goes off on this. So what I've done with this car is the steel wheels behind, I've sprayed them in matte black. I've machine polished the car, as you can see. The paintwork is shining. I've also wet vacuumed the seats, so the seats on this is all clean. I've got the windows open so the car can dry out. And in the back of this car was just full of lots of dog hair, and the seats are so dirty. So I've wet vacuumed the seats, as you guys can see. Interior on this one's very clean. Still got one dog hair there. Very clean interior on this car. Nice little motor. Bloody hell, got it for cheap. The keys on these are so weird though. I didn't want the window to go down, for God's sake, go up. The keys on the run-outs are so weird. So weird. I'm trying to keep the windows down to dry out the seats because I've wet vacuumed the seats. My BMW is off. Didn't mean to start it there. So guys, my BMW is parked up. The front wheel, I've changed 2 tires, 2 new front tires, and then this rear tire decided to go flat now. I pump it up and I can hear the air coming out, so there's no point driving it. This here still got to go back to my mechanic because I don't think he done the timing chain correctly. The car drives absolutely fine, and the ABS light is still on as well. This Skoda Fabia 1.2, just about to prep it, so it looks like that over there. Just about to prep the Skoda Fabia 1.2. The car needs some coil packs because it's sort of misfiring a little bit on yeah, it's just misfire. It's not a bad misfire, it's just you feel it now and then. And I've checked the coil packs and 2 of them look a bit burnt out, so I'm about to go to Euro Car Parts and collect some. Rubber today is not the best at all. Still got my little cleaning equipment out there, so I'm about to pop to Euro Car Parts in this car as well because it's raining. I just prepped this one, so I'm not going to drive that. So I'm going to drive the other one. But this has turned out pretty well, guys. Definitely added some value to this. So I'm about to lock up the unit, go to GSF Parts and get the part, put it in the car. And yeah, this car also needs petrol as well. Yeah, so sitting in the car now, you can feel the odd misfire, but the car's idling fine, but you feel the odd misfire. So I checked the coil packs, and the coil packs, 1 of them are good and 2 of them needs to be changed. So I'm about to go to Euro Car Parts to go collect that, change it, and then get this car ready and up for sale as soon as possible. Alright guys, I'm now out on the road in the 1.2. I'm in the 3-cylinder 1.2 Skoda Drives pretty well. Doesn't drive too bad. Yeah, it goes alright. Alright, see you guys when I arrive at your car parts. Alright guys, just got the coil packs from your car parts. I'm literally going to put them in right here, right now. Right, so guys, all I got to do is just take this cover off. There. And let me just, because I can't get it with my finger. There you go, got the cover off. And it's just these two that need to be changed. Got that one out. Got this one out. There you go, that one's now clipped. I don't know if you can see guys, but it's quite burnt out in there. Right, so guys, I'm now taking off the other coil. That one's now off. Get the new one. Where have I put the bloody... let me just use a key instead. It's always very takes ages. There you go, one of the new coil packs. That's in. About to put the cover back on. There you go, cover's back on, coil pack fitted, close the bonnet. So the moment of truth. Yeah, the car starts. It always sounds a little weird when it first starts. Going on YouTube, I'm back at it again with another video. Sorry I haven't posted. I've been pretty busy the last couple of days, had a couple of new cars in. They sold within literally none time, they're gone out, so I'm literally trying to buy stock again. I've got another car at the mechanic. This one needs an MOT in there, the exhaust is broken. Yeah, at the moment with this car, it's gonna need an MOT soon because it has a very big exhaust leak, and if you can see the roof, it's got some dents in the roof. So I think I'm probably just gonna put a fresh MOT on it. Here's the old exhaust. It was all clamped up, so if you have a little look here, obviously that's just broken off, and so there's also the clamp. The exhaust clamp is also broken off. So I'm gonna bring the clamp with me, and also, so I'm about to go to GSF Parts to get a new rear silencer. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave the car like this in here, go pop to GSF Parts, get the new silencer. It's a little empty in here at the moment because I've literally sold out of everything. And two cars aren't here as well. It's so loud, bro. It's so loud. Let me just lock it up. It has pretty good MOT history, it's got service history as well, but on the as you guys can see the roof, with the roof, I thought it was just a reflection of the light in the pictures, but it's got just, the roof is so dented, it looks like somebody obviously just like ran on the roof, looks like. So I need to drop this one off to my mechanic to get the MOT done. Then I've got my other car, the other one just like it, but a 2013 one. He's fixing that at the moment because I don't think he's done the timing chain correctly. And I'm literally popping to GSF Parts right now to get a car part. So Just turn all the lights off. Right guys, I'm currently in my car. I'm about to make my way to GSF Parts. Hope this guy don't block me in, please. Park decent. Because I'm always getting blocked in here. I also need to get some petrol as well. My windscreen isn't the cleanest. Because my car's low, it scratches up there, so I gotta go this way. But yeah guys, so I'll see you guys after I've arrived at GSF Parts. Right guys, I've collected the exhaust silencer from GSF Parts. So I'm now at Halford's, about to try and get an exhaust clamp from Halford's to fit that. So I just got back in the car, I went into Halford's and they didn't have a V-band exhaust clamp like this. I don't know why I've got it in my pocket with me, but I bought it, so obviously you can see that's broken. But I bought it to make sure I got the right clamp. So got this silencer in the back, and then I'm just gonna get the V-band clamp from your car parts and get back fit it, and then yeah. So I just got back from GSF Parts. Here's the exhaust clamp, which the other one's all rotted. So yeah guys, let's go get this exhaust on, and then yeah, that's literally what I need to do to it really. And the MOT with the roof, I don't know if I'm even gonna even bother trying to do that. I might just sell it as it is, mate. 12 months MOT on the car. I mean, it had no advisors on the last MOT, I think. Actually, yeah, I think yeah, it had no advisories on the last one. So 12 months MOT should be out the window really, apart from the little roof flipping. Right guys, I've just arrived back at the unit. Right guys, I'm back. I'm gonna get to putting the exhaust on. This back box looks a little bit smaller than that one. But yeah, let's get to putting it on. Hope it all fits. All right guys, out with the old one, in with the new one, with the new exhaust bracket. Now let's start the car, see if there's any exhaust leaks at all. Should be a lot quieter now. Still sounds kind of loud, not gonna lie. Let's see why. Actually, no, it's alright. It's not leaking, it's just cold starting. Yeah, no exhaust leaks there. About to take it for a drive, see how it drives. Taking the jack down. We're about to open the shutters and take the car for a drive. Right guys, it's time to go for a drive. Yeah, that sounds a bit more like it. Yeah, very quiet. Yeah, that's it. That's how it's meant to be. Taking it for a nice little drive. The car drives well, really. There is no loud exhaust anymore, so that's fixed. So just need to clean it, get the dent done on the roof, MOT, rack it up for sale. So yeah guys, I'll see when I get back to the unit anyway guys. I'm gonna ask the paint man across me if he knows a dent guy. So now guys, I'm about to fill up the coolant and the engine oil as it said on the BCA check that it had low engine oil and low coolant. So about to go fill that up right now. Right, so guys, I've decided, because of the roof in this car, look at all of that. I spoke to the dent man and he said he can't, he's not going to even bother with that, so I'm going to put this up as it is. I'm not even going to put MOT on it. I just replaced the back box because it needed doing, so this could be a project for someone else. I'm going to put it up as part extra clear. Nothing needs doing but an MOT, but I'm not going to spend any more money on it because of the fact of the roof. So let's get the pictures taken. Alright guys, I've fixed that car, I've taken the pictures, whacked them up for sale, selling it as it is. If the car doesn't sell by the time the MOT is up, I'm going to get the MOT done by my mechanic and then put it up for a little bit more. But I've just put it up as it is. I don't want to put any more money into that car because the roof just lets it down and nobody's going to want to buy it at a high price with the roof. So yeah, just got to put that back up for, yeah, just going to put that up for sale. Currently on my way home now, just had some McDonald's. So if you're still watching the video guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.